Hi, I'm Helen, and today's class is a meditation for when you've got something on your mind. Always find that if I'm troubled by something, it's really good to get out in nature, walk around, hear the birds, feel the sun on my face, grass under my feet, and I always feel a lot better afterwards. For meditation, you only need 3 things: a seat, a space, and stillness. Sometimes it's good to do a little bit of movement before you settle into a meditation, and then you won't feel irritated or have any energy cooped up inside you. So I do have a short video for pre-meditation movement. You can do that if you like, otherwise we'll begin now. We'll start in a comfortable seat. Make sure your hips are higher than your knees, so you're not rounding at the spine and trying to focus all your energy on keeping a straight back. Fold your legs in any way that feels good for you, somewhere that you can maintain a still seat for a period of time. When you find your comfortable seat, make sure you're warm enough. Temperature can drop during meditation, and you don't want to be distracted by being cold. Start to center in on the breath and close the windows of the eyes and turn the arrows of attention inwards. You can place the hands face down on the knees. They can face upwards, or you can just have them in your lap. Start to bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the inhale. Notice the exhale. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And keep this pattern going in a rhythm that suits your body. We all have different lung capacities, and my counts of inhalation and exhalation may not match yours. So do what's good for you. Start to bring your awareness to your feet. Maybe where they're touching the earth or the ground. Maybe they're touching another part of your leg as you've got them folded in. Focus all your attention on the feet and what you're feeling. For me, I can feel the grass against my feet. I can also feel them pressing into my shins. And bring your awareness up to your hands. Maybe your hands are rested in your lap, or you have them gently placed on the knees. Just focus your awareness there, what you can actually feel, maybe skin to skin, skin to clothing. If you're outside like me, maybe you can feel a gentle breeze against your skin as well. Now start to focus back on your breathing. As you inhale, notice the rush of air as it enters your nostrils. And as you exhale, notice the same, the feeling of air leaving the body. Focus your awareness entirely on the sensation of the inhalation and the exhalation. If you find your mind starting to drift to other things, just pull it back Focus on the inhale and the exhale. It's perfectly normal for the mind to wander. It's impossible to empty it completely, but focusing on one thing helps us maintain a clarity in our mind. In life today, we have so many thoughts going around, we're bombarded with so much information from so many different sources. It's easy to feel really overwhelmed. It's hard to focus on any one thing. When you're feeling like that, it's so easy just to bring the awareness to the breath, and you can bring an instant calmness to how you're feeling. Now as you sit here, notice your sit bones and how they feel in contact with maybe a blanket or a bolster. Maybe you're sitting directly on the earth. Focus your awareness to what you're feeling in this area around the hips. Now bring your awareness to your chest. Maybe the feel of the clothing against your skin. Noticing it rise and fall with each breath. As the chest increases as you breathe in, do you notice any movements in any other part of the body? As you exhale, and the volume of the chest decreases, is your body moving in any other way? Now bring your awareness to the jaw. Is it tense? I hold a lot of tension in the jaw, and sometimes we don't even realize it. Try and relax it. Notice your tongue. Is it pressed into the roof of the mouth? See if you can relax your face. Now wherever you are, bring your attention to the furthest away sound that you can hear. And now focus on the closest sound that you can hear. If your mind is starting to wander, just focus on that sound that you can hear. It could be the sound of your own breathing. Now bring your awareness to the mind. Imagine your consciousness is a beautiful lake. And the surface of the lake is the border between the conscious and the unconscious mind. If you throw a stone into this lake, it causes ripples. And if you looked over into the lake wanting to see your reflection, you would just see a fuzzy shape as the surface rippled. Think of this as a metaphor for when you have a lot of things going round and round in your mind. When we have so many things on our mind, we're unable to see with clarity who we really are, and we often become clouded in our judgment and our perspective of whatever situation we are in life. But once the ripples start to still and cease, and the lake becomes clear again, when you look into it, you can see your own reflection like a mirror. When we turn down this inner noise and the cessations of the mind, we're unclouded. We can see who we really are and see our situation with complete clarity. Now just start to bring your awareness back to the physical body, the sensations maybe in the feet and the hands, the rush of air as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Take this time in these last few moments of stillness to send gratitude to yourself for taking time out of your day just to be still and calm. And then slowly bring the hands together at the chest. Press the thumbs into the sternum. Gently open the eyes. So that was a quick meditation, just to help you have a little clarity. I always find when I've got something on my mind, if I just sit for a moment in stillness, not focus on anything in particular, just one thought, and afterwards I feel so much better. Hope to see you again soon. Have a good day.